Hello, my loves. I missed you so much and it's so good to be back. We're in the new house, more on that later, more videos on that later, but today we're gonna be talking about skincare because that's obviously your favorite topic on this channel and I'm in such a good mood right now. I just got my hair done, I got some fresh blonde, so I'm just ready to film and ready to just hang out with you. And even though my hair is looking fresh, my skin has been so dry. So I've been developing a new DIY recipe to just help brighten and hydrate and give dull fall skin a dewy glow. And I wanted to share it with you. And I'm so honored that Comvita Manuka honey is sponsoring this video. We're gonna be using that incredible ingredient in our little DIY Manuka honey oatmeal face scrub. And then I'm also going to be giving you some other tips and tricks on how to keep skin hydrated this season. So stay tuned because DIY recipes for skincare can be so effective if they have the right ingredients, and you can actually save a lot of money because one jar of Manuka honey, so versatile. You can use it for so many different things, for acne scarring, for dryness, for redness. So I'm going to teach you how to use it and just some other tips and tricks that I know you're going to love. But first, I gotta get out of this trench coat and out of these jeans and into something cozy. Okay, we're cozy. And the Skims, hair is up, face is washed, and I have the scrub right here. This is what it looks like. Magical little DIY scrub. But first, let me tell you exactly how to make it. It is so easy. You don't need any crazy tools or appliances. All you need is a cutting board, knife, organic oats, and Comvita Manuka honey for this recipe. You can even double the recipe and keep extra scrub in your fridge for up to a week. I chose oats because they're an inexpensive ingredient that can very gently exfoliate the skin without stripping it, and they have soothing properties. You just want to chop some oats finely, add 1 teaspoon to a bowl. Then next I'm using the Comvita UMF 15 Plus Manuka honey, and you do not want basic honey for this recipe because you won't get the glowy skin benefits. I use Comvita Manuka honey because it is the most premium, pure, well-researched product I have ever tried in the category, and I can see a difference in my skin when I use it. You just add 1 tablespoon of the honey to your oats and stir until combined, and that is it. You have the perfect gentle scrub that took less than 2 minutes to make. And all you have to do is just apply it to clean skin. And it's nice that the honey is so nice and thick. It's obviously really good quality honey because it doesn't drip down your face. You can get this scrub all over your face, do a little scrub mask situation, and you don't make a mess. And now is the time to make this recipe because you can capitalize on Comvita's holiday sale. You can get 30% off the entire Comvita.com site from now until Monday, 11/29. And this is such a perfect gift idea for any skincare or beauty junkies in your life. And you could even write this recipe on a card and create your very own gift basket for them on their site with this UMF 15 Plus Manuka honey and the immune supporting propolis spray that I'm obsessed with. Voila! And it actually smells so nice. You can eat it. It's raw oatmeal, so you might not want to eat it, but you definitely can eat it. I mean, Comvita needs to make some like energy bars because this tastes so good. Energy bar recipe to follow. But now what I do is I like to leave this on for anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes, just really let all of those hydrating and nourishing ingredients penetrate into my skin. And then when I rinse it off, I'll do a very gentle physical scrub with my fingers. And like I said, it doesn't irritate the skin. This is safe for all skin types. And I'm gonna wash it off and show you what this glow looks like. I just washed off the scrub, did my PM skincare routine, and I will put the video there. I have a full video, and of course it'll take a full video's length of time to describe my nighttime skincare routine, but seriously, just that gentle exfoliation from the oat plus all the nourishing and hydrating and antibacterial properties of the Manuka honey just makes your skin feel heavenly. And this is something that you could do 2 times a week even. I would start with 1, then work your way to 2 if your skin likes it, but it is so gentle, so it's not gonna irritate your skin, and I could not recommend it more. Then if your skin is feeling super, super dry and sensitive, you can just use the Manuka honey alone as a single ingredient face mask, and you can do that up to 3 times a week. So I will link this in the description below if you wanna check it out. Could not recommend it more. And then some other things you can do to really hydrate your skin that you can do at home are, number 1, drink water. It makes such a difference. Not only should you hydrate the exterior of your skin, but keeping your body hydrated internally is actually going to make your skin look more hydrated. So I always recommend at least half your body weight in ounces a day. And if you are drinking things like caffeine or you're drinking alcohol, make sure to add in, like if you have a cup of coffee, add in 1 additional cup of water to counteract that. And same thing with alcohol. So if you're gonna have a crazy holiday party night out, make sure you're doubling down, drinking more water before and after to make up for the dehydration that alcohol is gonna cause. Another huge thing that people don't often think about is the water in your food. So when you're eating foods with high water content, you're getting more bioavailable water in your system and you're not thinking about just drinking. So you can drink tons of water, but if you drink it too fast, your body is just gonna pee it out. So you wanna be consistent throughout the day, and eating hydrating foods really helps with that. So some of my favorite hydrating foods right now are cucumbers. I absolutely love cucumbers. I know they're not technically seasonal for fall, but you can always get them. I love pomegranates. Pomegranates are seasonal and they have that little burst of water, so you're getting that hydration. Squash has great hydration. Celery, some of these more traditional kind of like Thanksgiving foods actually are pretty hydration dense. So make sure you do that. Then I also do love having some sort of electrolyte. So I just discovered this pretty recently and started incorporating it into my routine because water can get a little bit dull, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I always have my water bottle filled next to me, but you can just either get those sugar-free electrolyte packs, or you can do a little bit of Himalayan salt and a little squeeze of lemon to really get that hydration into your body. So those are my tips for hydrating the skin, and I promise you, if you incorporate these little practices into your lifestyle, into your routine, you're gonna see a noticeable difference. And without these products, I mean, it's really, really difficult this time of year to make sure you're hydrating your skin. So give it a go, give it a try, my loves. And I just can't tell you how good it feels to be back on YouTube, to be creating videos for you, especially in this new space. So like I said a little bit earlier, we haven't done a full home tour video yet. I did take a bunch of clips like empty house tour style, so I promise we're gonna cut those together for you and make a beautiful video. But if there's anything else that you wanna see on this channel, I know that people love the brutally honest reviews, so I'm gonna do more of those. I'm gonna do more product comparisons. So those are definitely things that I know you're interested in, but if there's anything else, I would absolutely love to create it for you. I feel just reinvigorated with YouTube. I had a little bit of a slump, especially with being in our old place where I wasn't creatively inspired, and then going through the buying a home process and the moving process. It was just really overwhelming, if I'm being honest. And I was talking to my therapist about it, and she was just talking about all the potential trauma and things associated with moving, which I moved a lot in my childhood. And so I definitely felt those rumblings. I didn't know exactly what it was, but she helped me connect the dots. And it has been really, really freeing, and I'm creating brand new memories and experiences of moving and being in a new home, and they're really, really healing. So I'm in a really good place, and I want to share positive educational videos with you and just also share the real stuff like I'm sharing right now, like almost in tears about my moving trauma as a child. But that's why I love YouTube, because you really can connect with people and learn so much. So if there's anything that I can research for you because you're busy, you have stuff to do, I would absolutely love to do it. And I'd love to see you next week. So subscribe, keep an eye out, because I have so many big videos planned. When I say big, I mean big, starting with the home buying process, like tips on that, and just the empty house tour. So I hope to see you back soon, and I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day, and I'll see you next week. Mwah.